I received my Scentsy consultant box today. I just got back from Monster Jam, so it's kind of been sitting outside for a few hours. So I decided to join Scentsy as consultant because I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I just, wanted to get my hands into something other than just the same routine every day. In this box is my welcome envelope. Weighted tote. It's pretty big. And it just has Scentsy on it. So in here is, I guess, where you would put like the catalogs and any samples that you want to give to your friends, family. Wax warmer. It's full size. And the scent is black raspberry vanilla. I'm so excited to smell this. Oh, that smells so good. It reminds me of Bath and Body Works Merlot candle scent. That's exactly what it reminds me of. And then I got these Scentsy pods in the Amazon Rain. That smells so fresh, like a spa almost. So this is a little mini fan diffuser. This is what it looks like, and then the cord for it. So I'm gonna put this in my car. It's a gray color, obviously, but I think it'll match well with my interior inside my car because it's all black. I got this Scentsy car bar in aloe water and cucumber. I'm actually not gonna open it, but I can kind of smell it, and it smells very fresh. I like fresh scents, but I'm gonna keep it in here just so the scent doesn't wear out faster by me opening it and then just leaving it somewhere. Next, I got this natural peppermint and vanilla natural oil. This jeweled pomegranate hand soap. I'm excited to use this in my kitchen or maybe in my guest bathroom. So I also got this hand cream and cloudberry dreams. Is raspberry, rose, peach, and vanilla. I'm so excited to use this. It's a counter cleaner and the cloudberry dreams as well. I've been seeing like really good reviews on this, so I'm happy I got this to test out. Then in this bag I got a ton of samples that I can pass out to a few people that I know who would like to try it, like dish soap, honey and chamomile, Best Buds pet soap. I have a few friends and family that have pets, so this will be a good tester. Body cream and Luna, laundry, liquid soap and clothesline. Then I got the same scent in the clothesline in the scent soft, which is basically like their softener. I'm so excited to try these washer whips and clothesline as well. I've been hearing good things about these as well. And then I got 3 cents in Luna for the hand soap, hand cream, and body wash. Excited to try this because I hear really great things about the Luna scents, which I haven't been able to smell myself. Okay, and then I got thank you cards and some more cards right here to give out. Some bags for samples, more brochures for the different lines, and a ton of catalogs to hand out as well. So I also got these felt shapes, which you would do your samples of the waxes, so you can hand these out and they can smell different ones that you have. And a ton of scented stickers. These are the ones that I got. Oh my god, if you could smell this bag, it smells amazing. What scents to sample out. So the last 2 items is this gray Deluxe diffuser. Let me take it out of the box. And it just comes in this white color, very basic. And lastly, this wax warmer, which is in a pretty gray color and it will match my decor perfectly.